welcome back to another video. Today I am drawing my Annie Lacey. For those of you that don't know, Annie's is a closed species by Yamio, and I won a raffle on her Discord and I got like a custom common Annie. So Yamio designed it. You can see Yamio's original drawing all like finished there, just tiny. And I just had to draw her straight away. Her name is Lacey, and I love her, and she is adorable. And I've come up with a little bit on her personality. I am so bad with actually coming up with like character development stuff. I'll get it up actually. Toy House, it's here. So her age is 20. She's female. The town she lives in is Inahana. Her rarity is common. Her blessing is Lily of the Valley. And personality words are like Suki, pouty, cutesy, affectionate, sensitive, childlike sort of stuff. And then I wrote this about her. It's not worded the best because I did it really quickly and I didn't really refine it or anything, and it's just to get an idea and still need to refine her more. Lacey got her blessing, Lily of the Valley, at age 9. As a child, she focused hard to be in touch with her magic and blessing until she reached the point she was happy with. She no longer felt like she needed to pursue her magic and found new ways to spend her time. She discovered the joy of making plush toys. Although being a bit clumsy, she would prick her finger a lot or cut the fabric wrong, but she persisted and would make some very beautiful toys as she has high standards with her craft. With her clumsiness, she often trips over and drops things also. If you happen to be like passing by and help her, expect lots of hugs. I can't speak today. Or even if I really can't speak today. Or even if you just talk to her. Lacey is very affectionate. Although she is quick to misinterpret and get upset easy, but will recover fast and act all cutesy and affectionate again. Lacey is a child at heart, but does know when it's time to take something seriously. Gosh, I'm usually decent at reading out loud, but I feel like I'm losing my voice, even though I'm not sick or anything. I got sick at the start of the year, and I still have problems from that sickness. I'm not actually sick, and it's annoying. But yeah, that's basically Lacey. She owns a toy shop in Inahana as well. I need to add that in. I've got that approved. So yeah, she's my cutesy little Suki character, and I love her. And I just want to draw her again, which I will be soon because I'll be doing my Berry Fiesta competition entry. So that is something. And I've started on it, and I need to refine it so much more. Like, I need to practice it. I'm trying really hard with this piece. I've got like foreshortening sort of stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be a challenge for me, but I'll get there. I will. What else has been happening the past week? I drew a ton of mermaids at work again because that always happens when I'm at work. The little girl loves getting me to draw mermaids, and I got bored of just starting to draw like the forward, front, or three-quarter view, so I experimented a little bit. I drew a boy and a girl facing each other, sort of like hugging. That was a mistake. Now I have to draw heaps more mermaids in one picture. She's like, draw a mummy and a daddy with a baby and a sister and a brother. And just, yeah. Now I've made a lot more work for myself there. Although it's good for practice. Like, who else gets to say they do not have an art-related job but they get to draw all day? But yeah. Also, I bought recently the Tri-Plus fine liners. I got the 20 set and the 6 pastel colors because I was just looking for stuff in a shop, and I finally saw them in person, and I haven't seen them in person, and I sort of impulse bought them. But because of that, I'm just like, I need to actually use them. So they're good for like with Copic markers and pencil, not watercolor sort of stuff. So I decided I need to make my Copics and pencils more accessible. I've been meaning to use them more, but I just don't because they were in places that was just sort of a pain to get at. So I sort of rearranged my desk so my Copics have nothing on top of them, nothing in front of them, and my pencils are out of where I normally keep them. They're sort of just on the floor in a pile, but it's still easier to access than my little art space in my cube shelf. If you've seen my room tour, you know what I'm talking about. My cube shelf has like a little art section. My pencils were at the bottom of that, but now they're not. I'm saying that I don't know if I'll use them or not anyway. I sort of don't like my Prismacolor pencils, but at the same time I don't just want to go back to cheap pencils. I want to buy some polychromos eventually. But that's way at the end of my to buy list. At the top of my to-buy list is a Wacom Cintiq, so $4,300, so commission me, please. I'd greatly appreciate commissions, although I am trying to work on, I can't think of words, prints for Animega, because I am officially doing my first convention. I've paid for it and everything, so I need to start getting my butt into gear and do some more print-like stuff. If you have suggestions for prints, please comment them down below, because that'd be so useful, because I don't know what's popular at the moment. I'll probably end up just doing my fandom stuff that I like, so like Steven Universe, Star vs. the Forces of Evil, thinking about doing some Love Live stuff maybe, like Sunshine, even though I prefer Muse, probably do some Sunshine stuff. Aqua, yeah. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting more. Yeah, I don't really know. I've been streaming on Thursdays pretty regularly, although that won't happen next week because I've got work unless my shifts get cancelled again. My Wednesday shifts keep getting cancelled, so the Thursday shift I have next week is the same kids that I would have on my Wednesday shifts, so I'm sort of like, will it get cancelled or will I have it? I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Like, really forgetting something. But I can't think of what it is. Anyway, because my voice is going a bit bleh, I'm gonna end my voice over here. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos every Friday. See ya!